Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add image in PDF file. It's pretty easy, you just have to follow the steps I'm going to show you. Let's head over to the video. Once you're in your PDF file, head over to the page you want to add your picture into. Then click on image, and it will give you an option to add image or search image from your PC. And I'm going to go to desktop and click on it. If I'm okay with my choice, click on the open, and you just have to put your picture in the right place you want. And once you have added it, you can just change the position and the size you want, and your picture will be added in your PDF in desired location. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.